Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is Rebalance Balance Board. This balance board will give you an exercise while increasing your balance skills along with coordination and stability. The 101 board includes the roller and are made from a sturdy high-quality composite. The 101's top is cushioned and suitable for use in shoes or not. The roller will not scratch your flooring. Because it's a compact size, it's portable and easy to transport. It is ideal for beginner riders and those looking for an opportunity to increase their fitness and balance. It's also ideal for use almost anywhere, anytime. It has a sturdy lightweight roller as well as Dura-Soft top for traction. The 101 is also able to test your skills in a variety of ways. For instance, the base is able to easily rotate in all directions due to the poly-wrapped roller as well as the board grip combination. There are stops both on sides to stop you from moving too far from the edge. Number 2 in this best balance board for kids list is Gentle Monster Wooden Wobble Balance Board. Gentle Monster Balance Board is constructed from top quality natural wood. It is coated with eco-friendly lacquers that have the board odor-free and attractive. The wood in the board is unique in color and texture, grain and mineral patterns on the outer layer. These make each unique. With smooth, rounded edges and corners guarantee the security of children. Measures 35-inch long, 11.8 inches in width, 0.66 inches thick and 6 inches high at the top. This sturdy item of Montessori furniture is an antique that can be used for a lifetime of fun. It can hold up to 480 pounds, so your friends can be part of the fun too. It helps stimulate the vestibular system, which is of vital importance to general growth and development as well as learning. It strengthens the muscles that control proper posture, which helps to develop the ability to balance. This is a wood toy that develops with your child, and is also a great choice for adults. For a better fitness level, move your back with yoga exercises, for training balance, or simply because it's entertaining. It is possible to perform various exercises with a wooden board. Our third pick is StrongTech Wooden Balance Board. The balance board made of wood can be used as a rocker board and a wooden desk accessory that can be used as a standing one, and an instrument to improve the stability of the core. The top features a non-slip surface that is comfortable for naked feet, yet helps keep them from sliding. The base is durable and is constructed of top-quality lawn hardwood plywood sourced from plants that are sustainably grown and sustainable. Underneath it has anti-slip/anti-scratch pads to protect your flooring. The top of every balance board with a rocker has an easy grip design that's comfortable on feet that aren't bare, but can keep you in place and safely. The balancing board made of heavy-duty plywood is built with lasting robustness and strength to hold children and adults of with up to 350 pounds. The anti-slip pads are unique and offer an excellent level of protection for your flooring. Edge-rounded design helps keep your feet from getting injured while you exercise at home. It helps to prevent your child safe from injury. Our balance board is available for use. When you receive it, you are able to immediately begin using it. For details, let's watch more. Fourth pick in our best balance board for kids list is with CityWobble board. The balance board for toddlers is designed for the vestibular system and body posture stimulating. Kids' balance will be strengthened when they stand on the wobble board with a high center of gravity. It supports the muscles responsible for the correct posture, develops a sense of balance. The board is a wooden toy that grows with the child and is also very suitable for adults. To get fit, stretch your back in yoga exercises, to train balance, or just because it's fun. It's possible to do a wide range of exercises on the wooden board. Suitable for gym and home. Highest quality natural wood, ecologically friendly lacquers. The wood has unique coloring, texture, grain, and mineral patterns in the outer layer, which make each board one of a kind. It is a great learning toy gift choice for kids age 18 months and up. As a fancy open-ended toy, with CityWobble board is whatever you imagine it to be: a swing, a bridge, a shop, a cabin, a stepping stone, a lounge chair, a tunnel, a bridge, and so on, which helps kids turn what they imagine into reality. Last in this list is whirlyboard balance board. The set includes an exquisitely designed Appaloosa horse, a rider figurine in the western saddle, bridle, as well as an elongated flank strap. Kids can put on their own rodeos and challenge their riders to determine how long they will remain on their blocks. It is great for play with imagination and storytelling, as well as understanding the daily life on the farm. Work out, develop the foundational skills, and increase your balance and agility from your home, in the gym, or in the office with this exciting and creative balancing boards. The balance boards are constructed of top quality 8-ply Canadian skateboard decks made of maple, fitted with grip tape. They come with a triple half-sphere design. These balance boards for children and adults will aid in learning the fundamental principles of spinning across all sports on the board and do full circle rotations on 3 balance points. Half-ball balance trainers are fun to play with, yet difficult to master. It will help you increase the difficulty of exercises, practice sports skills, heal injuries, or keep active when standing. For details, let's watch more.
I'm Eric, the founder and creator.
And I'm Joanna. This is our son, Lander.
And we are Team Whirlyboard.
Cookie-coo. Look at me. Look at the camera.
I didn't create the Whirly myself, and it turned out to be a lot of fun. I got a little board with my standard roller style balance board, and I just wanted to add the aspect of spinning, not only because I thought it'd be fun, but because spinning is something I always struggled with on snowboarding and wakeboarding. So in order to spin, I wanted to attach a half sphere to the bottom of the board, and so I got a bowling ball from the local bowling alley and cut it to fit, and I attached it to the board. Tried it out, did some spins at those, and turned out way more fun than I even expected. So I made a few more, sent them to some friends, and everybody really enjoyed it. So I started figuring out how to make a bunch of them. So that was about 4 years ago, and since then I've built almost 4,000 boards in my home garage workshop. I build the boards and make sure they get out the door on time. Joanna takes care of the office work and is the brains behind the operation. And this year we just brought on Lander as our new CEO. It's tough having a boss again, but he tells us when we can work, when we can't work, when it's time to play, and just keeps us on track. And it's exciting that people are really starting to get excited about it, finding a lot of different uses for it, which is the coolest part. I never even thought about standing desks, but it's becoming really popular for standing desks. People use it for fitness. Kids enjoy it. Even if they're not board sports kids, they just like the challenge and it keeps them occupied. Our goal is just to encourage everyone, especially kids, to live an active lifestyle, challenge themselves, and try something new. And we hope the Whirlyboard helps along the way. Oh boy. The boss is calling.